This is a funny one. A Google Pixel 5 XL case just leaked. We're still waiting on the 4A. May never happen. Just forget about it. Just let it go. Go all the way up to 5. No, I'm not saying that's what they're doing. It's just been delayed. A lot of stuff happening, obviously, in the world. But it's just funny. We're talking about the 5 XL getting closer, and 4A was supposed to be here 10 years ago.
Well,
a while ago. Give me that, at least. A while ago, originally. There's a reason I bring this particular story up. This case has a cutout for a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, which, when you were talking about that with the budget model, the 4A, you kind of understood it. Mm-hmm. You recognized why you might do that from a cost perspective for a budget-minded smartphone. To see it here on the flagship 5XL, that's a bit of a change for Google in their approach to security and unlock strategy on their flagship stuff.
Yeah.
They went with the full face gig on the last model. This is a backward step.
Well, they were maybe listening to you.
To me.
Yeah.
Because I keep saying I don't mind the rear fingerprint.
Yeah.
Good for them. Okay. I think you nailed it. That's actually what happened. So. Well, I presume there's going to still be some version of the face unlock, but now we have options, and I like options. Talked about it extensively here. So sometimes face unlock is more optimal. Other times fingerprint is great. And the capacitive rear fingerprint scanners never gave me any issues. Fast, man. I still feel with the in-display stuff, it's just more of a process for me. Still, it's just you have a little more mental bandwidth when you're doing the on-screen to just line it up, make sure it's lined up, where it's more muscle memory with the capacitive one on the rear because you can feel it, the spot where it is without even looking. You're almost kind of aligning your finger as you pull it out of your pocket.
Yes.
And it's already unlocked. Mm-hmm. So anyway, I was always a fan of them. I understand the downside. I feel like I got to cover the bases as usual here. Downside, you can't unlock it on the table as you can with the in-display. So it's like everything else, man. It's not all roses.
Yes.
Is that what they say?
Yeah.
Looking at the images shared, the Google Pixel 5 XL still features a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. This is evident due to a single circular cutout at the back of this case. Now, keep in mind, this is just a case. These come out early. Who knows? I can't speak to it for certain. The last model, 4XL, dropped the fingerprint scanner completely for their 3D facial recognition. It also showcases this large rear camera cutout and a picture, an image that seems to showcase 2 large cameras, but no more. So is that an indication of a dual setup? Who knows? Interesting nonetheless, kind of funny in the face of the missing in action Pixel 4a. Let's just start talking about the next.
Yeah.
I'm sure we're going to hear more, but